Are you tired of the daily stress and hectic schedules? Do you long for a relaxing spa day but can't find the time or budget for it? Introducing 10 self-care activities for a relaxing spa day at home. With our practical and affordable solutions, you can create a rejuvenating spa experience right in the comfort of your own home. Begin by creating a soothing atmosphere. Lower the intensity of the lights, ignite candles, and play music to establish a calm and peaceful ambience. Begin your day on a positive note by immersing yourself in a bubble bath with the pleasant ambience of flickering candles and fragrant essential oils. Allow the calming sensations to alleviate your concerns and troubles. Afterwards, indulge in a rejuvenating mask specifically formulated to nourish and invigorate your skin, giving it a vibrant appearance. For a complexion, try creating your own body scrub. Combine sugar and olive oil, then gently massage the mixture onto your skin using motions. For the ultimate spa experience, engage in a meditation or yoga session. Allow your mind to find serenity and inner peace while stretching your body and increasing flexibility. Feel the positive energy flow through you, revitalizing your entire being. Treat your nails to some TLC, give them a trim, shape them nicely, and paint them a soothing color. It's like having an at-home manicure. To complete your at-home spa day, snuggle up in a cozy robe and enjoy a cup of herbal tea or refreshing fruit-infused water. Take this time to relax, reflect, and recharge your mind, body, and spirit. You deserve it. Fuel your body with snacks such as fruit, nuts, or a refreshing smoothie. Staying hydrated is also important. Remember to drink plenty of water. Give yourself a gentle face massage. Use your fingertips to relieve tension, starting from your forehead and moving down to your neck. Finally, conclude your day at the spa by engaging in some journaling. Take a moment to contemplate your experiences, express gratitude for the day, and set intentions for what lies ahead. Are you prepared to embark on an adventure of self-pampering and tranquility? Indulge in 10 ways to take care of yourself and enjoy a blissful home spa day to uncover the epitome of a spa experience within the confines of your own abode. Remember, taking time for yourself is a beautiful act of self-love. Enjoy your well-deserved relaxation.